Namaskaram. With all your encouragement and positive feedback, I made this second video, which is more appropriate for prevention of COVID. I wish to dedicate this video to all the COVID warriors working in COVID wards. My humble request to you all is to allocate at least 30 minutes of your time every day for your own well-being. The following yoga sequence takes about 23 minutes. The yoga must be done on empty stomach or at least 4 hours of fasting. Please do some physical activity like stretches or some light exercise for 5 to 20 minutes depending on your convenience. Sit comfortably with the spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Sit on a mat or sheet in a well ventilated room, preferably facing east. Place a small pillow or rolled up bed sheet under your base, as it is easy to maintain upright spine, which is very important in yoga. Remove spectacles if you have. Rest your hands comfortably on the thigh with fingers in Chin Mudra. Take deep breath and exhale slowly. Do this 3 times. First is the Agnisara Kriya. This should not be done by people with stomach ulcers, recent abdominal surgery within 1 year, people having heart problems or lung problems like asthma. If you have any doubts, please check with your doctor. Press hands against knees and elevate the chest from abdomen as shown in the video. Exhale completely and bend your neck fully onto the chest. Now move your abdominal muscles in and out. Do this as long as you can hold the breath. Once you have done, take breath in and relax. Repeat this process 2 more times. Next one is Simha Kriya. Move into the position shown in the video. Hands should be in such a way that fingers are pointing backwards. Open the chest fully, extend the neck upwards. Open mouth fully and protrude the tongue out fully. Open your eyes and focus the gaze to the point between eyebrows. Inhale and exhale about 10 times with sound emanating in the throat. Relax. Repeat 2 more times. This should not be done by people having heart problems or lung problems. From now on, keep eyes closed until the end of the whole process. Sit comfortably with spine erect. Next one is Kapalabhati, which is forced exhalation, giving 2-second gap between exhalations. Do not inhale between the exhalations. Air should go into the lungs passively. Do it 20 times. Relax. Repeat it 2 more times of 20 each. This should not be done by people who have had abdominal surgery within the past 1 year. Next is Bastrika. Take deep inhalation. As you inhale, raise hands fully above head with palms open. Exhale with mouth closed and tightening the throat muscles gently so that you get a hissing sound while exhalation. While exhaling, bring the hands down, closing the palms and making into fists. Do this 20 times. Relax. Repeat it 2 more times of 20 each. Anuloma Viloma. This is gentle inhalation and exhalation. There are 3 variations. Do each variation for 3 cycles. Start exhalation through left nostril. Inhale through left nostril fully and exhale through the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. This is 1 cycle. Repeat for 3 cycles. In the next 3 cycles, while taking the inhalation, mentally chant O and M while exhalation. Again, do this 3 cycles. In the next 3 cycles, after full inhalation, hold the breath to the count of 10 or 8 as per your comfort and try to make the exhalation longer than the inhalation. Once you have done 3 or 4 cycles, finish by exhaling through the left nostril. Do slowly without any sound coming out and observing the breath going in and out. You should not have any discomfort in the chest or body. Bhramari. Place your thumbs in the ears and close the ears. Keep the fingers on eyes as shown in the video. Take deep inhalation and exhale with mouth closed, making sound at the throat. Keep the mouth closed but teeth a little bit separate. Repeat this and do a total of 9 times. Om chanting. Om chanting is done with O to M ratio of 2:1. Take slow inhalation and say Om slowly, experiencing the vibrations in the abdomen, chest and throat as the breath progressively comes out. During inhalation, concentrate on the breath going into the lungs and feel it oxygenating the whole body. Do it 9 times. Once this is over, sit comfortably, keep your spine upright, keep a gentle smile on your face, concentrate on your breath going in and out of the body, focus on your body parts sequentially and say like this: my forehead is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My cheeks are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My chest is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My abdomen is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My upper arms are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My forearms are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My hands are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My upper back is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My lower back is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My thighs are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My calves are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My feet are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. My whole body is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Once this is over, observe the thoughts as they arise. Let them go without getting engrossed in the thoughts. Observe the sensations arising in your body. Observe the sounds in the surroundings. Do not give importance to any of these. Just observe everything. If you notice your thoughts wandering away, gently bring attention back to your breathing and observe. Sit in meditation for 5 minutes or longer if you can and if you wish to. Once you are done with the meditation, when you want to finish, without opening the eyes, say a prayer of your choice. Then thank God or existence for everything in your life. It is customary to complete yoga by saying Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Then rub your hands together and apply to your face. Open your eyes slowly and bow down to God, nature, parents and teachers. Then stretch your legs and get up slowly. I wish to thank my yoga teacher Sri Vikram Reddy, who is the driving force behind this video. He is based at AdLife Center in Banjara Hills. If you have any doubts, you may contact him or any other yoga teacher. You may contact me at my email info@mallipudi.com. I came across Mooji ji's thank you prayer on YouTube. I do not know him and I am not a follower, but I am already aware of the power of thank you God for everything. So I liked the way he prayed and included it in the video. You may check his original video on YouTube. One of my teachers mentioned that the most important person in your life is yourself. Unless you are healthy and happy, you will not be able to help people around you. Please spend some time every day for your well-being. Make it a habit. Read Atomic Habits to know how small things can change your life dramatically over time and how to stick with good habits. Thank you so much.